Today, me and Oikos are in the garden and we found a slug. A slug is a snail without shells. Like snails, this creature secretes a film of mucus to protect their delicate skin and to grease the surface on which they are traveling. So they look like a fat worm with two snail-like eye stalks. The eye stalks allow for their vision, but they also contain smelling organs as well. They have two small tentacles under the eye stalks, and they are used as feelers and taste buds. And hidden under their tentacle is the mouth. The mouth opens to release a radula. The radula is a tongue-like organ that has teeth-like protrusions, and it helps to saw through food before they ingest food. This slug is about 2 inches, but in North America, they can measure up to even 10 inches long. They're not insects, but they can be major pests in the garden. They can eat up plants and vegetables, and worse is, some slugs can carry a parasite called rat lungworm, which can transfer into them or to pets if they happen to eat a slug. Also, the slimy mucus that slugs produce can cause excess drool or vomiting in pets like cats and dogs if they ingest it. Some sources say that slugs could be put off by the strong scent of lavender in the garden, or rosemary, fennel, and even flax paniculate. I also learned that pouring salt on a slug will kill it in a matter of seconds. So today I will be trying to do that. Ew. So we'll shake the container to make sure the slug is covered fully by salt. So, this is after a day. The slug has dried up because the salt killed the slug by drawing the water from inside it, leaving it fully dehydrated.